Hi everyone and welcome to Falcon Hill, Hua Hin, an award-winning luxury property project that we've had the privilege to work in for quite some time now. And today we want to show you our process when it comes to pressure test our press-fitted water pipes as part of a tap water installation in a really nice custom design villa. This has been a great project and been very happy to do work here. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take you through our test process. You're going to see our initial test and then you're going to see our main test. Now this is the reason why we can give 10 years warranty on our tap water installation. So we're heading into the villa and we're going to enter the master bathroom today, and yeah, see you in there. So we're getting ready to do the initial test. Basically we fill the system with water and we pump the pressure up to 15 bar and leave it like that for 30 minutes to begin with. This is just to purge any air out of the fittings, and this is what we call the initial test. After that, when we're happy, we see that the pressure sits at 15 bar, we're back again to do the main test. So we restore the pressure back to 15 bar again, and then we're going to leave it like this for 2 hours. You can see the wall nozzles on the shower wall, and you'll also be able to see the manifold with the hot and cold water coming in at the bottom, and different valves for control. And the short pipe to the right, that will be a hand shower, and then if we follow the pipes going up, we can see the pipes going to the rain shower at the ceiling. Really nice setup, custom designed shower for this customer. And we're back again. We've done the main test. We've had pressure of 15 bar applied for 2 hours. We're back and happy to see that it sits steadily at 15 bar, and now it's time to check for any leaks. Just gonna walk around, check all the fittings, all the connection, make sure that there is no water coming out, that everything is nice and tight. And we are happy to report that there were no leaks, and we can now release the pressure from the system and let the water out. And what we do next is that we will be prepared to fill out the form that we send in to the manufacturer. So in this form we put all the readings both from our initial test and the main test, and we send this into the manufacturer, and we will get a certificate back indicating that this system with press-fitted fittings, press-fitted pipes is nice, it's no leaks, and we're able to give the customer this warranty certificate of 10 years. So he can look forward to 10 happy years with these press-fitted pipes in his bathroom. Actually, this customer used them in his entire house. So now we're ready to just disconnect our test fittings, or the fittings that we've used for this testing purpose, and we're ready to move on to the next project. So this is another fun project, another happy customer. See you on the next one. Bye.